To say a special thank you to all of you who have provided me with this tablet or helped to provide me with this tablet. I'll be putting this to future use in helping with my schoolwork.
I'm speechless.
Hey fam, welcome to the long-awaited tablet distribution video. I know it's been a little while that I announced that we'll be giving away some tablets back in December, but because of the Christmas rush and all of that, all of the tablets did not arrive in time. I know it's February, so I've finally gotten around and did all the things that I needed to do to get everything going. I know today is day one of distribution, so I have some of the tablets here and I have developed a system to distribute the tablets. So I have my team here with me and we're gonna be doing that. I just want to say thank you so much for everyone who donated towards the purchase of a tablet for a child or a student in need, because we know that there are persons that genuinely can't afford it, and sometimes we're in different situations where we can help ourselves and help others, and when we're as fortunate as that, we need to give back. And I'm very happy that persons volunteered to give back, and that's what we're doing today. I'm just so happy because with this current global situation that's happening in the pandemic, a lot of persons lost their jobs and a lot of persons are going through struggles, and if we can help, we help, and this is my little way of helping. And I just want to say thank you so much. This is day one. We have more days to go and more tablets to give out. So this is what we have here. They're packaged. I also want to give a big shout out to Kingston Jerk for allowing us to film here and to do the distribution here. Thank you so much. You guys should check them out at 2 Chelsea Avenue in Kingston. And we're just gonna go and chill, eat some food until people start arriving. Then we continue the vlog. So let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, so we're finally about to start. Persons are finally just coming now, and I have our first recipient here. This is Jada. And what's your name?
Jaim Peart.
Jaim. You want to say hi to the camera? Hi. The email, and we have 2 tablets for both of them.
Turn this way.
And here you go, guys. So this one is for you and this one is for you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Do you want to say thank you to the persons that donated?
Go ahead and say thank you.
Thank you
To everyone.
to everyone.
Okay.
Thank you so much for donating a tablet to both me and my little brother. Really appreciate it.
And thank you guys for reaching out.
And thank you for giving a tablet to my big sister Jamila. She's my best. She's the best sister ever.
Aww. That's so sweet. Well, I'm so happy that you guys watch my channel.
Look at
I saw
that
that you
baby
posted
bird.
something not too long ago too.
I did. Thank you so much. I appreciate the support, and anything we can do to help.
So what you got in your bag?
I got a tablet, a new one, and I got Sweetie and the pet 2 pencil. And I got a bag that I can carry them in, and
You're gonna use your new tablet today? Yeah. And
Did you set it up?
yeah. Where's the charger?
the charger is inside.
Are you sure that it will charge properly?
Yeah, I'm positive. It's brand spanking new, so it will charge properly.
Are you sure?
Positive.
All right.
If it doesn't charge, call me.
Call you for what?
I don't know. I don't know.
To get another one or just fix it? No.
We'll see how it goes. Call me and we'll talk about it. All right. So have a great day. All right. So we have the other recipients here today, and you're the one that reached out to me.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Jada.
Jada. And you are? No, you are.
Angel.
Angel.
You're Angel. And what's your name?
Geddes Thomas.
What is that?
Geddes Thomas.
Geddes? And you are?
Ridley Thomas.
Oh, you're Reggie. Alright, well, very nice meeting you all. Thank you so much. So, you're their cousin
Yeah.
and you're their sister?
Yes.
So, your cousin reached out for 2 tablets for you guys. You guys are going to use the tablets in school?
Yeah.
Alright, so let me present these 2 tablets to you. Here you go. You're welcome. And here you go. You're most welcome. And you're going to use them to go to school online, right? Right. We also have some other things on the inside. You can look inside, you'll see some treats.
Thank you.
So how is it going with online school for them?
For them,
Yeah.
well, it's kind of hectic because I go to school too, and I have to like monitor them sometimes. Like like all the time.
Yeah.
So I have to see to that they do their work and that they're in class and focus while I'm in my class. So it's kind of hectic, but
Okay, you going to university now or still in high school?
soon. This is my last year in high school.
Okay, same for you?
No, I'm grade 11.
Oh, you big girls, man. Big girls want to make me look so small. Well, I want to ask, how did you find my channel?
Well, I find it very interesting. I watch it like even my parents,
Yeah.
they're overseas and they watch it and say, "Watch an exceptionally." Like, and like right now, I'm trying. Even though I'm young, I want to purchase a house, so I'm trying to see if I can do like have an investment account and stuff like that, so I can purchase one of those houses that you're showing on your channel.
That's good. But the first time you found the channel, somebody sent it to you?
No, actually, like I watch YouTube, so sometimes like things pop up, like things that I'm interested in, and I saw it, so I just click on it, and I could not stop watching.
Ah, thank you. You too?
Yes, I watch it with her.
Okay. That's okay. Well, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the support more than you can imagine. Like, it really means a lot to me that you guys are watching, and I'm happy that I'm able to do content that younger persons can watch as well as older persons and everybody in between, you know, so that's good. I'm very happy, and thank you for reaching out.
Yeah, thank you too.
Because this is such a nice thing.
Really, we really needed
We really needed this.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, I'm very happy to be of help, and thanks to those that donated.
Yeah, thanks to those that
To the
donate.
donors.
Alright guys, so have a good day.
Yeah, same to you.
So we have yet another recipient. Welcome.
Hi,
What's your name?
Nasi.
Nasi. Well, thank you so much for coming today. Here is your tablet.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's courtesy of Rochielin and the family.
Thank you very much.
How's online school? Are you liking online school?
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
Of online school or in person? Which one you prefer?
Online.
Really, why?
Because I get to sleep more.
You don't sleep in class, don't you?
No.
Okay, but you sleep after class.
Yes.
So all the best, and you know, I hope that this helps
thank
you
you.
when you're doing your schoolwork. You get to go online now.
Thank you very much.
You're most welcome, and have a good day. Alright. Go to www.rochielin.com/shop to buy your Rochielin merch. So another day of tablet distribution, and about to head out now to go and drop off. I'm just so happy that you guys donated, and I'm just so happy that we're gonna be blessing people with a tablet, because I keep saying that people are in need and we must try and help, and I'm just so happy that we're helping. Like, I don't understand how happy this makes me. It makes me feel so good that we're gonna be able to help a child or a student who needs the help. You know what I'm with it? I'm gonna meet up with some persons now and still have some more to send off to persons who are in other parishes. So we're gonna be doing that and make sure say as many people as possible. And I just want to say thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart, everybody who donated and anybody who had sent a tablet or sent funds and all of that. It's all going to good use. And for those who still wish to send a tablet or funds or anything, reach out to me, rochielin@gmail.com, and we'll take it from there. But I'm so happy. Alright, so let's go. Alright guys, I'm here with another recipient. Again, this is
Abigail.
Abigail and
Shantoy.
Shantoy. So Shantoy is the one that reached out on behalf of Abigail, who is in grade 10, 4th form.
Yes.
Look at her. She looks like grade 2, right? I still can't believe you're this old. Trust me, when I was in high school, everybody thought I was in, like, when I was in 5th form, everybody thought I was in 1st form. Even though people still think I'm in high school, so I'm gonna get it, y'all, girl. Youth in your favor, y'all, girl.
Yes.
Anyway,
so shy, Anthony.
nobody shy. You're not supposed to know me by now. Nobody shy. So I want to present this to you on behalf of Rochielin and the family. You know, this is a tablet to aid in your online schooling.
Thank you.
No problem, and I hope you put it to good use. Go online, do the work, do the teacher work.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah. You know, so well, she had one before, you know.
Yeah.
But I don't know what happened. I think I thought that she dropped it.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, she dropped it and then it just conquered.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, nobody
So
dropped this one, yeah?
Yeah, I didn't bother to tell her what's going on.
Oh, so she don't know?
No, she didn't know. She only knew that the night that I got the email from you saying that we were selected.
Oh, well, surprise. Surprise. Well, thanks for reaching out, and I appreciate it. And thanks for watching the videos.
Always. Always.
How did you first find my channel?
New, energized, different.
Yeah.
I love the energy.
You love the energy?
That was the favorite part.
But the first time that you found it, what did you, somebody sent it to you, somebody recommended you, were you just searching?
I don't remember. I just, because you did recent videos, so
Yeah.
you're always going to be in the recent or in the YouTuber section.
Mm-hmm.
So I just see it pop up and then I watched it. I started watching and I continue.
And then you get hooked.
Yes.
Good. I'm happy you're hooked. Well, is there anything you want to tell the viewers?
Yes, keep prayed up and put God first in
Yes.
everything that you're doing.
Amen. Anything you want to tell the viewers, ma'am?
Thanks for those who donated so that I can get a tablet. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And subscribe. Yes.
So, you tell them now.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Listen, I want to pause for big up all of my yardie them overseas because I come out from us strong, you know. Like, I have no idea. I appreciate each and every single one of you. I especially want to big up Cliffy's Kitchen. It's our family-run YouTube channel. And they do cooking. They cook a lot of Jamaican foods and show you how to do it. They have curry chicken, curry goat, salmon, and one whole heap of something. So I encourage you guys to head over to their YouTube channel and check them out. And I also want to big up Daniel from Massachusetts. I got your email. Thank you so much. Big up yourself. Yo, you make me so happy. You guys make me so happy when you send me them heartfelt emails there. Anyways, let's get back into the video. Alright guys, so I'm here with another recipient, Mr. Xavier and his mommy.
Grandma.
Grandma! I am so sorry. Thank you guys for coming today.
Yes, you're welcome.
Yeah, I know you're coming from far.
Very far.
So Xavier, here you go. On behalf of Turnaround, on behalf of Rochielin and the family. Here you go, here's your tablet, courtesy of Rochielin and the family. Huh?
Thank you.
Thank you. He's shy, right?
Yeah, he's shy.
So it's his sister that reached out to me, right?
No, it's auntie.
His auntie.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to get. His auntie reached out.
She couldn't be here because she's at school.
Yeah, she did mention that she'd be on campus, so she's gonna ask you to come.
Yeah.
Well, I'm very happy that you came, and I'm very happy that you watched my channel.
And we thank you very much for this token.
Yeah.
We highly appreciate it.
Not a problem. I'm so very happy to be doing
And I hope
this.
your store basket will never be empty. You go and help others also who are very in need.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate that. Let's go, let's go, let's go! So I'm in Fontana right now at the drop station for Tara, sending off one of the packages all the way to Nigel from Kingston. So, and I actually came late, but this nice lady is helping me out. You want to say hi? You want to come on camera? Hello. Hi. What's your name?
My name is Sasha Gay.
Sasha Gay. Listen, when you come here, ask for Sasha Gay, because I came after hours, you know, Sasha Gay helped me out. So big up you. Thank you.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. And a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it.
So another recipient here, we have Mr. Javier. And he actually is his auntie that reached out to us, right? His aunt reached out, and now his mom is here with us. So we're doing a quick thing just to hand over, and I just want to say, here you go on behalf of Rochielin and the family on YouTube. You know, here's a tablet to help in your online schooling, and all the best.
I want to say a special thank you to all of you who have provided me with this tablet or helped to provide me with this tablet. I'll be putting this to future use in helping with my schoolwork. And I also play music, so I can download the musical songs on this and play from it.
Nice.
And I want to say thanks very much for reaching out to us and for helping those who are really in need of these tablets. And may God continue to bless you and to provide so others can benefit also.
Thank you so much. Not a problem. It's my pleasure to help out in any way that we can. We know people need it, and if we can, we try and do what we can. And as a young person myself, I know the struggles of not having and wanting somebody to help. So when I can help, I try to do that as much as possible. So I appreciate you guys coming out, and all the best, Javier, Mr. JC, Mr. Musician. And mommy, big up yourself. Guys, meet Kanish, a grade 1 student who received this tablet via courier service because he lives all the way on the other side of the island and we could not leave him out.
I'm speechless. Thank you, Rochielin. I really appreciate the tablet.
There's something else in the bag.
Thank you, Rochielin. I really appreciate the tablet. I was so excited to unbox the tablet. Thank you very much.
Alright, so we have another recipient, Yannick, who's collecting on behalf of her daughter,
Kira Lawson.
Kira. Alright, so I just want to say on behalf of Rochielin and the family, This is a token for your daughter to aid in her online schooling. How we know it go. Alright, so here you go.
Thank you so much.
You know how the handshake thing goes. Can never get it right. There we go.
Thank you so much.
Not a problem. You know, we try to help as much as possible. And I know your uncle reached out to us, and so we had to do it, you know.
Okay.
How is online schooling going for her, though, in general?
So great, to be honest with you.
Why not?
Because she would have to be using my phone for classes, and I would have to take my phone to work. So some days she's at class, some days she's not.
Not at class
Not
because
at
you
class.
have your phone. Oh my. So then this will definitely help out then.
Yes,
for
it
sure.
will.
That's good. I'm happy for that. I'm happy for that.
What I do sometimes, the teacher sends most of the work to the WhatsApp group, so just write off what I can to a book, and then she copies it to her actual workbook. So that's
Okay.
what she's been doing.
Okay, but now she'll be able to go on virtually and do everything.
Yes.
Well, I'm happy that we're able to do this. So all the best, mommy.
Thank you.
All right.
Thanks to the sponsors as well. Couldn't do it without them.
Okay.
Right?
So alright guys, we have another recipient here. I'm here with Haley and her mom Lakoya, who messaged us, who is a subscriber, right? Yes, of the Rochielin channel. I just want to say on behalf of Rochielin and the family, here is a token that you can use to aid in your online schooling. Here you go. You know, I'm not so good with this thing, and I'm always, yeah, you hold this and let me shake your hand down here, so you don't know COVID and such. So that's for you.
On the behalf of Ailey and myself, I just want to tell you thank you so much.
You're most welcome. May I say how long now you subscribed to the channel?
About 3 months.
3 months. Yes. What was the first video you saw?
The first one that I watched was the one with the chief from Maroon Village.
Oh!
Yes.
Chief Richard Curry.
Yes.
Okay, and then you've been hooked since?
I've been hooked since.
Well, I'm very happy for that. Let's go, let's go, let's go! So we are donating these 2 tablets to Kiwanis Division 23 East. Here I have the Lieutenant Governor to receive on their behalf.
Thank you so much, Rochielin.
Of course, the pleasure is mine. On behalf of Rochielin and the family, we want to give these to 2 students to aid in their online learning. And I'm so happy that you're able to be here to collect it on their behalf. So I've been trying to do the shake hand thing with everybody, and it just now works. So let's
Thank you so much, Rochielin, and thank you, family. The Kiwanis Division of 23 East is so happy to be able to take these tablets. It's a wonderful gesture on behalf of Rochielin and you, family. Thank you so much. And we actually have our Builders Club event next week, and these will go to good use because we do have some youngsters who need the tablets. And Kiwanis is an international organization where we help the kids, one community, one child at a time. So thank you, Rochielin.
You're most
Thank you so much. And family, thank you, thank you, thank you.
So we have another recipient today. This is Darla J.
Hi guys.
On behalf of the Rochielin and the family, I want to present this to you to give to your nephew.
Yes, well no, my cousin.
Yeah.
It's my uncle's child.
Okay. Alright, so this is to aid in his online learning, you know, we're trying to help out everybody as much as we can. So please gift it to him, and thank you so much for being a true friend.
And thank you.
And a Rochielin
Thank you for
subscriber.
this initiative, because I know that you're helping a lot of youth right now.
Yeah.
So thanks again, and God bless you.
Alright.
More.
Guys, we're up on the side of the highway and a bad traffic. Look how the place calm down on the downtown.
Yo!
Hey fam, thank you for making it to the very end of the video. Thank you so much. To everyone that received that tablet, All the best in your online schooling. For those of you that email me and were not able to receive a tablet, I do apologize, but that's all I have for now. As soon as I get some more, I'll be doing more giveaways, so definitely stick around. I definitely see that there's a need for the tablets. I got so many emails, so many heartfelt stories, so many pleas. So I know that there's a need, and whatever I can do to help. Thank you to all the persons that donated, whether it was a tablet or funds towards a tablet. I appreciate it so much. To those of you that were not able to donate, but you supported by way of watching the videos, sharing them, liking them, and leaving a comment, trust me, that goes a far way. So thank you just the same. Thank you. Not even thank you. I appreciate it. I'm gonna challenge you guys to do it some more. Share my videos some more. Each of you, we're now at 40,000 subscribers, and I just want to say big up on yourself. I'm gonna ask that each of you share one of my videos with 5 of your friends. That's a challenge from me to you. Share my videos with 5 of your friends and encourage them to subscribe so that we can grow the family. Alright, so share the videos with 5 of your friends and let's grow. Thank you so much, guys, for the love, the support, the everything. It means so much to me, and I'm just so happy that we're able to help those that are in need. And things like this really touch me in ways I cannot even explain or describe. Thank you so much. You know the drill. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me at rochielin on Instagram and Twitter. Stick around for more videos, more content, more of the things that you love. There's so much that's coming out. I'm not even going to tell you right now, but just know there's a lot coming. I'm actually heading on the road right now, going out into the country, so look out for those videos. Anywho, love you know. And by the way, not everybody made it to this video because I still actually have about 3 more giveaways to do. So yeah, there's some that didn't make it, but you guys got the gist of the giveaway. I just want to say thanks again. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.